Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime bigger no matter what it is. It could be putty or slime, but here's a picture of putty. Here's a picture of yellow butter slime. No. Yeah. Hopefully it comes out, because if it doesn't, then my camera's about to die. It is. Then whatever, then I don't know. Because it's a phone. Please don't touch me. So, let's get started. So, first you need a bowl. So, then you need, okay, where is it? Wait. So, you need like a pen or marker, and then just play with it. Oh, that's not the key, but yeah. So, you see how much it is. Like, first I'm doing it wrong. I was doing it wrong. So, like this much then? Baby, you got my love. So, yeah. Then, you get like halfway of hot water. So, just watch my slide. And then, I'll get hot water. So guys, I just got this new camera. It's new, but yeah, whatever. Yeah. I got a little bit of water, and then just pour it in, and then just mix it a lot. Wait. I'll tell you how it makes it bigger. I will tell you how it makes. Why is he running? You mean. But it makes it bigger because the water soaks up the slime and it makes it bigger. I'm sick. And then you have to be like kind of patient, but I don't want to pause it because you think I'm lying and making more slime like this. But, let's see where's the thingy. Oh, and I got this cool fidget spinner. It's golden, but it's kind of old, kind of. And it kind of fills up, but wait, let's see. Did it fill up? It filled up. Wait, make it flat. Sorry, what? But I added a little bit of water, but just don't add too much, and don't add that much water, you guys. Okay? Yeah. bye guys. Have an amazing, magical slime day. Okay, this is how you make slime. So, oh no, I got rice. But first, you got glue. Pour it in, and then take a little look at it. Like I have glue, but I don't have the ingredients. And then you add a pinch of baking soda. Then food coloring is optional. And then eye drops or contact solution, but in my opinion, I want blue food coloring. Then you mix, and then you put it to and then you mix, and then it becomes slime. If you want more slime, just do the same ingredients and slime, and then you could just mix them together, and then it's big slime. Oh, and there you have it. But make sure not to put the slime in the hot water too much, because then it'll melt. But if you see it melting, if you take it out and you see it melting, you play with it, and then it's gonna become normal. But then it's gonna become like really big, and you can't hear the poking sound. And sometimes it could get a little sticky, kind of. Oh, and that makes... Sorry. And, yeah, let me do a thumbnail, kind of. Wait. Wait, let me do it again. No. No. There you go. Actually, maybe another thumbnail will pop up, but bye guys. Have an amazing, magical slime day. Bye guys. 3, 2, 1.